guys, welcome again to another DIY video. Today we'll be making this beautiful flower on our screen. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. And these are the materials we're going to be using for this video, so let's get started. We'll be using 6 pieces of material for this design. So I did 9 centimeter on all the sides, but it was too big for the design we were making, so I had to recut it and reduce the size. One of the pieces will be for our center fill. The center fill is that coil like shape at the middle of the flower, so we'll be using one to make that design and the rest 5 for the flower. I'm just going ahead to resize it now. After resizing, we are going to go ahead to do the folding. Now the folding is going to be done twice before the plait. Now the first fold will give us a triangle shape, and then we'll fold again to get another triangle. Then you hold it by the closed edge, and the 2 open edges where we are going to do our plait. Now the plait is going to be 6, 3 on each side. You plait 3 to the right side and plait 3 to the left hand side. And after we are done with the plaiting, like the way I'm doing it now, you can see this is the second side plait, this is the second, and the third, that's the last plait there. So this is what we have. Now you hold it at the top and then trim the excess out with your scissors. Now after you're done trimming this excess, you can go ahead to burn it with your lighter or your candle and hold it together. The excess of this burning is to hold it in place, to hold all the plates in place. Now I'm going to go over the folding process again so you get it right. Now this is the first one. It's the same thing we're going to do for the remaining 4 pieces that we're going to be folding. So I will just go over this again. The first fold, this is the second one. Then from the open edge, you plait 3 to the left and you plait 3 to the right, and that is it. Then you hold it up and trim out the excess. Then we'll go ahead again to burn the bottom part to hold the plates in place. Okay, so we're done with the flower now. So we'll go ahead to gum all of them together now to form the round circle. Now we'll be making the center fill. You just take that same fabric, then fold it in square just once, and then start folding from one side of the edge. Now you make sure your folds are very tight so it won't loosen up. You just go gradually like that till you get to the end of the second edge. Then you can decide to use your gum to gum it at the edge, but I used the lighter to just burn it and glue it there. After gumming it, then you trim out the excess, just cut it to make sure it's short. Now I made a mistake in the flower making. I was supposed to put this in first, or I actually tried putting it in, it didn't go inside, so I had to open it again at one part. From one part I had to open it so I could put the center fill inside. Yeah. So that's we just put the glue and close it up, and that is the end of our tutorial for today. If you watched to this point, please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.